This is just an ordinary bar of soap. My name is James Sutton, and I am putting a bar of soap in the microwave. This is what will happen. Movement. It takes a few minutes. Oh, it's going off. There it goes.
I'll be looking there.
What happened is that when water molecules get heated up, it turns into a gas, water vapor. And when that happens inside soap, it expands, and it forms bubbles and they expand so the soap grows.
Open.
And this is what will happen. Please do not try this at home.
Don't you want to try it at home?
You can try it at home. Just